Good evening, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, where the family, where we teach you how to make money online. I'm here again with a brand new update. Now, I want you to take a look at this screen. Now, look at short videos. In 0.46 seconds. Just look at it. See the amount this guy is making for these short videos. Look at it. So today I'm going to show you a site where you can surely do something like this and make money like this. Is that a surprise? No. If you are new to this channel, kindly do something for me. Kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we drop a brand new update, you can be the first to see it and you take advantage of it. Before many people were aware of the update, you could have used it to achieve a lot. Now, a lot of people ask me that, how am I going to be getting this video? How am I going to get a lot of videos like this? Don't worry, I will show you. That's why you have to watch this video till the end. You have to watch it till the present end, because at the end of the video I'm going to show you that simple trick for you to get a ready-made video that you don't even need to do anything about. You don't need to make a single video. You just copy and paste. Just copy video paste, copy video paste. And one of the advantages of this site is that it's not as this site is actually a, can I call it, YouTube twin, but it's not as occupied as YouTube. The niche, the crowd in the site is not as much as YouTube. So it's very easy for you to do something like this and start earning. Now let me go straight to my Chrome and show you this site. Let me on my data. I just have to off it because of some calls. Now let me take you straight to my Chrome and let me show you the name of the site. I'm going to show you how you're actually going to get free videos to be posting. You don't need to pay a kobo. You don't need to make a single video. What you have to do is just be posting. Go there, copy the video and post it. That's all. Now let me go to the site and show you something. The name of the site is Rumble. I'm going to drop the site. I'm going to drop the name of the site at my description box. In case you didn't get it, check my description. You're going to see it. And don't forget to comment. I'm ready to make money. Don't forget to comment. I'm ready to make money at the section box. Now let's start. Rumble.com. Let's check. Let me show you what I mean. Rumble.com. The site is, it's like YouTube, but not as crowded as YouTube, and you see what they pay. Now let me show you something. Now look at this. This one is actually talking about white creatures. And now look at the videos. This is $10, this is $8. From a single person, if you have to calculate all this money together, you know it's a huge amount of money. Now people ask me, how am I going to get videos? How do you think it's easy to get videos like this? It's very easy. Now let me show you a simple trick on how to get video. But then you still have to stay the end of this so you can understand this thing. You have to watch this whole thing so you can understand how to get about it. Now let's go to our YouTube. I'm going to show you a trick that you don't know is on YouTube. Let me go to our YouTube. Now let me go to our YouTube. Let me do something. Since the guy is talking about white creature, let's assume you want to be posting about dog. Now just do something like this. Just type dog. Search for it. Now you have to filter this thing. Filter. Now this is where you are going. You are going to Creative Commons. Why do you have to go to Creative Commons? Because in Creative Commons you are allowed to use another person's video to do your own video. No restrictions. Nobody will query you. Now let's go to creative and let's apply. Yeah, you are here. Now look at this video. You can actually call this video. You can download this. You can download this. You can download this. If you can see, we have a lot of videos on dog that you can use here without paying a single, without bothering yourself to get a video. This is a video for you. You can actually use. Can you see? Can you see? What I have to do is that you can just change the heading and change some things, or you can decide to cut the video, edit the video well. Can you see? Plenty videos on dog that you can use free of charge. That you can use free of charge. Now let me show you. Some people will be like, I can't download with my YouTube. If I download with my YouTube, it will only stay on YouTube. Now let me show you another trick on how to download YouTube videos. Now imagine you have to download this video. When you click here, you share. Once you share, you copy the link. Hope you are watching. Just look at the magic. Now go to your Chrome back. Go to your Chrome. Now go to YouTube downloader. Just type YouTube downloader. YouTube downloader. Now listen and watch well. I'm going to tell you the one we will be using. You'll be using this. You'll be using this. Look at it well. All you have to do is to copy the link. Paste it. Then convert it. Can you see the same video here? Can you see the same video here? Is it surprise, right? You have to do is to download. You can get as much video as possible. You can talk about different kind of dog. Just talk about different kind of thing. Come to your YouTube, copy the video, a ready-made video made for you. Copy it, download it on your phone, edit it, post, and before you know, you start making money on rumble.com. Start making money on rumble.com. And you make this money as fast as possible. Why? Because the competition is not too much. Not everybody gets a channel here, so the competition is not much. So this is the update. You find this update very useful, guys. Encourage me by what? By liking this video, by commenting I like the video, then by subscribing to this channel, because once you subscribe, it's going to motivate me to bring more updates to you guys, and from there we form a wealthy family together. Thank you. God bless you.